How you choose to live your 20s can truly shape the rest of your life. You can often tell what direction a person's life is headed in simply by how they choose to spend their money. So here are 9 of the best purchases to make in your 20s. Number 1 is a gym membership. This is kind of self-explanatory and most people probably realize by now, but getting regular exercise just has so many important benefits, whether it's to your health, you have higher energy levels, improved mental clarity, better sleep. By working out consistently and especially lifting weights, you'll improve your discipline, your physical appearance, your confidence, and people will start to just treat you better because you carry yourself with more confidence and they can tell that you take care of your body and your health. Purchase number 2 is a Kindle. I was never really into reading for most of my life. I don't know what it was, maybe just school and being forced to read books about, things I didn't really care about just kind of killed my interest in reading and learning in general, honestly. But once I discovered books on topics that I was actually interested in, it made the whole process of learning and reading actually enjoyable for me. And definitely the best way to read a lot of books is on Kindle. You don't have to worry about carrying around the hard copy of books. You can get any book for much cheaper. You can read, of course, on the Kindle app on your phone or your tablet, but I would definitely recommend using an actual Kindle over that because on your phone and stuff, you just have all those distractions and it's hard to actually focus on reading. The third purchase on my list is high quality food. Similar to a gym membership and exercise, nutrition is one of the key pillars for living a happy and healthy life. Spend more money on high quality, fresh groceries and less on highly processed fast food. You can also get some basic, stainless steel cooking ware so that you can cook more at home because not only will it be cheaper, but generally a lot healthier than eating out. Once you start investing more money into your nutrition, but also, taking the time to learn what actually is good for you and your body, you'll just start to feel so much healthier, so much more energized. You'll have none of that sort of brain fogginess and you'll be more productive. You'll see better results in the gym, in your career, business, and just live a happier, healthier life overall. Number 4 is to purchase a good quality laptop. If you're interested in doing any sort of online work, whether it's, social media, YouTube, your own business, or even if you're not, even if you're just a student, having a solid laptop that will get the job done is crucial. As for which laptop to get, I would recommend the MacBook Air. I think it's a really solid computer and it's not that expensive compared to some of the higher end laptops. And I might be a little biased, but I've used both Windows and Mac computers and I can tell you that pretty much every way Mac is superior to Windows. And please don't mention gaming. If you're getting a laptop for the purposes of gaming, then I would not recommend it as one of the best purchases to make in your 20s, and you probably need to watch this video on my channel. Purchase number 5 is skincare products. This kind of goes along with the whole health thing, but acne and having poor skin in general can be detrimental on young people's health if not taken care of. I used to have the worst acne and it's just a terrible feeling. Your face is what people, recognize and see the most, and when you look in the mirror and your skin isn't healthy, it just does not feel good. I still don't have perfect skin now, but it has definitely improved over the years. And you don't need to go crazy with the skincare products. Don't get caught up in the whole skincare industry matrix. You just need a few basic essentials, maybe just a cleanser, a moisturizer, and a retinoid if you struggle with acne problems. But when it comes to skin health, it's not just about the products that you buy, but also, just your overall health. So that's why nutrition and exercise are so important too. I remember back when my skin was really bad, I went to a dermatologist. They prescribed me some heavy duty pills and strong medication that just caused all sort of irritation and side effects, but they legit told me that you don't need to worry about what you eat because food has no effect on your skin. And I believed him because at the time I didn't know too much about skincare and he was supposed to be, a doctor, an expert on this subject, so I trusted him. But obviously that's not true. Good skin is an indication of good overall health, and nutrition and exercise are 2 of the most important things for having good health. And if you're looking for some actual good qualified skincare advice, I would check out the YouTube channel Dr. Usama Saeed. I might be butchering your name, I'm sorry, but he's got some great videos, no BS advice. He's a dermatologist, so definitely check him out if you want to learn more. Purchase number 6 would be some clean, minimalist, essential clothing. Don't fall for the fancy name brands and logos like most people in their 20s will. Keep it simple with just timeless, essential pieces so you don't have to waste money on all these overpriced name brand clothes, and you also don't have to waste as much time, thinking about what you need to wear each day because everything you have just kind of goes together because it's just simple. I'm not really qualified to give you advice on what actually looks good because I could definitely work on my style quite a bit myself. I just haven't taken the time to, really take fashion and stuff super seriously. But of course, my favorite brand to get high quality, cheap essentials is Uniqlo. Purchase number 7 is to invest in your craft. A good purchase to make is on things that will help you improve at that skill and excel in your career. For example, if you're trying to be a YouTuber, videographer or something, maybe that's getting a nice camera, a couple good lenses, some good lighting, marketing. That way you can make better videos. And it doesn't have to be physical products either. It could be education, courses on improving your skills in that area. But whether you're trying to get into sales, developing software, becoming a pro chef, a musician, whatever it is, invest in becoming better at that skill. And if you continue to put the work in, you will surely get a positive return on your investment. Purchase number 8 is pay off your debt. Pay off your credit cards and clear all your debt before even thinking about investing into crypto, the stock market, or really making any non-health related purchase. The interest rates on credit cards, specifically if you don't pay them off, are just crazy high and will outpace any other investment you try to make. If you don't understand how to use credit cards properly, let alone to your advantage, you're really doing yourself a disservice. But if you do master the use of credit cards, it'll help you make the next purchase on this list, which is travel. Seeing other parts of the world can help you gain new perspectives on life and the world around you, and really open your eyes to the possibilities for your future lifestyle. Also, just the entire process and being able to navigate and carry yourself well in unfamiliar countries is an important life skill to have. The experiences that you get from traveling the world, you really can't get from anything else in life. It can be expensive, of course, but if you take advantage of credit card points, it can make traveling that much more affordable. Click this video right now to see how I travel the world for free. As always, do something today that your future self would thank you for.